द बेस्ट। तो प्लीज एक बार एस के लिए ढेर सारी तालियां हो जाए। मैं चाहती हूँ कि आपका ये साथ बना रहे। We have already reached so many great heights. To welcome the beautiful, the sensational, the gorgeous Bonnie Roy with a huge round of applause. Well, Bonnie Roy started her career with television in Ekta Kapoor's Cutie Saas Bhi Kabhi Kapoor and went on to do some of the biggest shows on television. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big round of applause here for the gorgeous Bonnie Roy. एक बार तालियां हो जाए मौनी जी के लिए. Please be ready to welcome the gorgeous Nusrat Bharucha in the house with a huge round of applause, guys.
Whistle, whistle, whistle,
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, joining us a bit this evening is the mesmerizing beauty, Nusrat Bharucha.
क्योंकि तू है चिक चिकनी ना बेबी हूँ इतनी क्योंकि तू है चिकनी ना बेबी हूँ इतनी जाने दे
So yes, ladies and gentlemen,
जला सा सूकर
joining us now is Nusrat Bharucha,
जाने दे
the beautiful, the gorgeous, the very talented.
दो पैग लगाने दे
Well, she is an actress. Joining us is a star who has been evergreen throughout all these years. A 90s heartthrob who is still winning our hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, he actually feels truly a very close member here at Ace Family, none other than Chunky Pandey. Once again, please put your hands together for our love through ages, Chunky Pandey. So when I look at you, I only come up with one favorite word, Mamma Mia. I have to acclaim this, that something like this is not at all going to happen anytime soon, because these are the sort of magical evenings that happen only with Ace, because we are Ace. We are fulfilling aspirations from last 13 years. Well, Ace is not one of the pioneers, but it is the pioneer itself. So once again, I, Harneet Kaur Gugnani, extend a warm welcome to all of you on behalf of Ace. I am your host for this beautiful evening, and I thank all of you for taking our time and joining us here today. Well, we are immensely thankful for your time, for your effort, and in return to all of that, I promise to you that this evening is going to be one beautiful, unforgettable affair. So once again, I would request all of you to settle down. Excellence and beauty. So before we get ahead in this evening, following our Indian culture, it is very important to remember the Almighty and seek His blessings. So, to begin this evening auspiciously, I would like to introduce the famous dance troupe called Bonfire Finalists of India's Got Talent as well. Please put your hands together as they join us here for the first and foremost beautiful presentation of Ganesh Vandana in next couple of seconds. Until then, once again, as I see all of you already at the back side, for the beautiful performance of Ganesh Vandana. this beautiful moment of lamp lighting. As they say that even a little light from the lamp eradicates the darkness that holds. And just like that, even the little glimmer of blessing from the God eradicates all the negativity around us. जैसे दीप की एक छोटी सी लौ सारा अंधकार दूर कर देती है, उसी प्रकार ईश्वर की ओर से उनका साथ सारी नकारात्मकता को दूर कर देता है. So here we are lighting this lamp in hopes of positivity, prosperity and happiness. Once again, I would like to thank all of our favorites, Chunky, Nusrat Moni, Ajay ji, Praveen ji, Pratap ji, Jagdeep ji and Rahul ji. Once again, a big round of thanks here to Chunky ji, Mori ji, Nusrat ji, Ajay ji, Pratap ji, Jagdeep ji, Praveen ji and Rahul ji. On the same with a video. Please welcome this one with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
The year 2010 witnessed the rise of ACE. The concept of a visionary, Ajay Chaudhary, who always believed to deliver excellence with zero deviations in ethics. Under his helm, ACE started its remarkable journey with its first project, ACE Platinum, in Greater Noida. Shortly after that, a streak of landmarks were made, like ACE City, ACE Aspire, ACE Golf Gyre, and ACE Studio. And then, two of the most ultra-luxurious projects of Noida were completed, ACE Parkway and ACE Divino. Expanding towards commercial real estate, ACE came up with Medley Avenue, and ACE Capital at Noida Expressway. ACE spread its wings to the city of Gurgaon with a 50-acre township, ACE Palm Floors. In recent years, ACE came up with projects like Starlit, and ACE 153 at Noida Expressway, and ACE YXP at the Yamuna Expressway. For a progressive journey, ACE has also joined hands with some of the most prestigious real estate developers of the nation for the construction of well-known projects in different geographies of NCR like Godrej Golf Links and Godrej Palm Retreat. With 13 plus years of experience, ACE has already delivered a constructed area of approximately 15 million square feet, while another 21 plus million square feet is under various stages of construction. To the other side, ACE has always been a socially responsible corporate. The group has done multiple drives on women menstrual hygiene under its CSR campaign, Nirmalya. ACE also aims to raise awareness about stress, depression and mental health in India. And for doing this, ACE is proudly associated with Live, Love, Laugh Foundation, an initiative by Deepika Padukone. During COVID, ACE provided food and shelter to those affected by the lockdown. The group also helped the government of Uttar Pradesh by providing medical aid and facilities such as oxygen cylinders and ambulances. ACE is continuing to spearhead the real estate sector towards new glory, with planned innovative developments in the upcoming zone along the buzzing Yamuna Expressway. With ACE, your investments are not only safe, but they are at the best place in terms of returns and appreciations. So come and join hands with ACE and be a part of a wonderful journey ahead.
Which we have gathered here as well. I hope you guys are excited for the same. By the way, I would love to ask all of you, did you guys pay any attention to the beautiful tunnel that you just would have walked by as you entered this venue? आप सबने ध्यान दिया होगा एक खूबसूरत टनल से निकलकर आप आए होंगे आज की इस शाम में शामिल होने के लिए. How many of you saw that? Guys, can you give me one big loud yes if you did? Amazing. Anybody knows what does it signify though? किसी को पता है कि वो टनल में जो नंबर्स लिखे हैं वो क्या बताते हैं? I could hear a word, guys. Louder. Can you say it again? Say it again and louder. Okay, मैं पीछे ही आ जाती हूँ. किसी को पता है? अगर किसी ने वो नंबर देखा है इस तरफ उस तरफ कहीं पर भी. Okay. One hand raised there. Here. Okay. Sir, I'm going to come to you only. You're the nearest person sitting.
20 देखा.
And 20 का मतलब क्या है? कोई बता सकता है? उस 20 से क्या मतलब है? Anybody who knows it here? इस तरफ से एक हाथ आया था. सर आगे आ जाइए जल्दी से. And उस 20 का मतलब क्या है? 20 projects. Yes, correct. 20 great projects. Once again, can we please have a big round of applause? I mean the numbers of years. We have been active by our 13, but just in 13 years, we have come this far with 20 proud, illustrious projects. एक बार ढेर सारी तालियां हो जाए इस बात के लिए. And as we go ahead, I promise to you, the next step is going to be as it can get, because joining us tonight is one of the greatest milestones that NCR is ever going to see. I am so thrilled as we move ahead in this evening, and I hope you guys are as well. उम्मीद है कि आप भी उतने ही उत्सुक हैं आज की शाम के सबसे शानदार पल के लिए जितनी की मैं हूँ. अगर है तो प्लीज एक बार 3 की गिनती पे ढेर सारी तालियां हो जाएं if you guys are excited for the most awaited moment. So 3, 2 and 1, guys, can we hear you all? Now that is what I call excitement. Well, can anybody tell me that where is the Asia's largest airport being built? Guys, बता सकता है कोई? Exactly, it is right here, very close to us, the Yamuna Expressway. Well, this expressway is not just one of the greatest that connects the NCR to Agra, Mathura and Lucknow, but is also an investment hub for real estate due to the massive upcoming landmark developments like the Noida International Airport, which is even bigger than all the airports present here in Asia. Now, ACE has recently put a step on this expressway by launching the ACE YXP, which is one of a kind commercial project here in the end. I hope you guys are excited as it is time for the unveiling of something new by the ACE group. Are you guys ready? Are you guys all set? Guys, I want the loudest yes possible. Are you guys ready? तैयार है क्या आप लोग? So yes, let us give a huge round of applause as we go ahead and reveal the name of our next milestone that will definitely turn the tables even further. I really hope you guys are ready for the same. तैयार है तो प्लीज ऑलरेडी ढेर सारी तालियां और शोर हो जाए as we finally spell it out and let you all know what our next great step is. तो आइए चलते हैं आप सबके साथ में. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये पल ऐसा हो जो सभी के दिलों में रह जाए. I really want this moment to be as massive as our next step, as our next milestone. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये पल उतना ही बड़ा हो जितना हमारा आने वाला कदम, जितना हमारा आने वाला आज का ये नया प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है. तो प्लीज़ अगर आप मेरे साथ हैं तो अपना पूरा ध्यान, अपनी पूरी एक्साइटमेंट, अपनी पूरी उत्सुकता और सारा का सारा जोश इस पल को दीजिए. Let us go ahead and finally dive into the grandest moment of this evening. With all of you, I am so proud to go ahead. So guys, let us have a countdown here. आइए चलते हैं और आपके साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं आज की शाम के सबसे खास, सबसे amazing पल की ओर. I hope your hearts are throbbing as fast as they can because this is the moment. तो आइए चलते हैं आप सबके साथ में. Guys, I hope you all are ready. Can I get a louder yes? So 3, 2, 1. Finally, please put your hands together, giving your loudest cheers, your liveliest applauses, and welcome the future itself. We present to you the Ace Terror! That is about to come. Well, I hope you guys are all set to go on to the next step of success with the Ace Terror. एक बार ढेर सारी तालियां हो जाए इस कमाल के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जो यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे पर कुछ इस तरह छाप छोड़ेगा कि सब कुछ बदल कर रह जाएगा. I hope you guys are all set to join in hands to the next step towards success as we go ahead and give this world the beautiful, the massive, the one of a kind Ace Terror. Well, so proud to let you all know that Ace Terror is the name of our new residential project at Yamuna Expressway. I am sure that you guys are now so curious to know more and more about this upcoming luxury project. So without any further ado, let us have a look at the walkthrough of this project. Please put your hands together and welcome the beautiful walkthrough of the much awaited Ace Terror. आइए चलते हैं आप सबकी ढेर सारी तालियों के साथ.
bagging success in the most greatest way. And that is Ace Terra for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all have an idea. You all have an idea that great things should be celebrated in even great ways. And of course, this is one of the best things that can happen here with us at ACE. जब खुशियाँ बढ़ी तो जश्न उनसे भी बढ़ा, तो ये जश्न बड़ा होता रहेगा, बढ़ता रहेगा, जारी रहेगा.
Colleagues and friends, my name is Puneet.
I'm Vishal Srivastav.
We welcome you all for this much awaited launch of our new project, that is Ace Terra. And I'm sure that you all are enjoying the beautiful evening hosted by the ACE Fulfilling Aspirations. Experience 24-karat living with Ace Terra, as it holds a treasure that unveils a hidden narrative from the earth's depths, where each shimmering essence revels magnificence.
This is the project showstoppers. First of 12 majestic tower with the 25-story apartments, premium lifestyle, and 3 and 4 BHK apartment in this particular products. And excellent connectivity and ample green space within our products. And main thing is that we have provided some special features in the Ace Terra. So now this is some other basic details of the project. That is a 11 acres land parcel. We are constructing 1160 units. These are the 3 and 4 BHK apartments, and the main important thing is the 4 units per floor with 4 lifts. That means ki lift passenger ratio is very better compared to other projects. And now we talk about the sizes. Here's 3 variants of the apartments, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. So first variant is 1770 square feet. That is 3 bedroom plus 3 washroom. Second one is 2395 square feet apartment. That is 3 bedroom plus servant. And last is 3025 square feet apartment. That is our last size 4 BHK with servant.
Ace Terra provides a golden connectivity with robust infrastructure at Jamuna Expressway. The upcoming Jewar Airport provides seamless connectivity from Noida to Mathura and Agra. The Buddha International Circuit is just 8 kilometers from Ace Terra. The proposed Olympic Park is approved at Sector 22 with 1100 acres and 22 sporting arenas. Proposed film city in Sector 21 that will span in 1000 acres over there. Apart from that, Delhi Noida direct flyway is 46.5 kilometers. Business center and mall is 2.7 kilometers from Ace Terra. God International School is just 1.8 kilometers. Medical centers and clinics is about 2.5 kilometers. Gautam Buddha University is about 14 kilometers, and Galgotia and Noida International University is about 10 kilometers only from Ace Terra. The glimmering horizons awaits your leisurely pursuits.
So guys, as you know, Ace Genre is providing the lavishness in our entire products. So now here are some hidden features of the product. That is a swimming pool with some special motor features, expensive basketball courts, and full-size tennis courts, outside kids play area, natural trails, and many other things. And main thing is that here's some jogging tracks.
Your leisurely pursuits, which he has shared. We also have banquet area lawn, multi-cuisine restaurants, library, luxury lawns for seating, unisex salon, well-equipped gym with yoga centers, squash court, and semi-covered badminton court as well.
So now, most important things, now we are talking about the pricing. This is the pre-launch prices 7,995 per square feet plus other charges. But main thing is that only 13 days left for grab this opportunity. On the 12th of May, that is the allotment day. Witness the price hike from 7,995 per square feet to 9,995 per square feet. That means ki guys, your book customer will get the appreciation of 2,000 per square feet at the time of allotment. So just talk with your customer and close them. Okay? Thank you guys. Let's enjoy the party. Thank you.
So much for this moment, and then we have a gorgeous Moni ji, of course, raising temperatures. Guys, I am falling short of words here with you, looking absolutely gorgeous tonight. And then we have Nusrat joining us for the third time. Guys, once again, can we please have a big hand, sir? Moni, we'll love to hear from you. Nusrat, you as well.
Okay, मैं opening batsman हूँ आज. Now you want to know why I'm here for every function? Do you all know why I come for every function? No. Ace का मतलब A for Akshay. I just found out today. I'm joking. भैया जी आधा पार्टनरशिप दे ही दो, मेरा नाम आ गया उसमें. But you know, I've known Ajay ji now for 10 years. And जब मैं उनको पहली बार मिला था, लोग मुझे कहते थे कि आप अजय जी को जानते हो, एक फ्लैट दिला दो और थोड़ा डिस्काउंट दिला दो उसके साथ. पर आज जब मैं आ रहा था इस फंक्शन में, someone called me up and told me, Ajay ji is launching, Ace is launching something. Forget the discount, please just get us a flat in it. So that's a great achievement, I think, in 10 years, from asking from discounts to getting an allotment. No, sir. It was all your great effort, but of course we put Godrej together with Ace. And भैया जी, congratulations. आपने मोनी, नुसरत और मुझे एक फ्लैट प्रॉमिस किया अलॉटमेंट में, हाँ, at today's rate. नहीं कि कल का रेट चार्ज करेंगे आप हमें. पता चले भैया जी बोलेंगे I'm joking. So thank you भैया जी and good luck. अच्छा, ये प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है Ace 13. तेरा या टेरा Ace Terra. You mean तेरा मेरा? How beautiful. What a name. Ace Terra means earth, and ये सब earth धरती से जुड़े हुए हैं. And a great idea to launch 3 and 4 and 5 bedrooms, because you then just keep it at a very good level. And congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ankit ji. So great to hear from you, and of course, we would love to hear from the ladies also.
Hello everyone, good evening. Hope you are all are very, very well and having as much fun as we all are. First of all, I would like to congratulate the ACE groups for all their achievements and all that they're building and doing, and this project, especially Ace Terra. Ajay sir, thank you so much for having me, her and sir here tonight, reunited. I think we've had one of our own little evening, as well as being a part of this grand party here tonight. Chaat, oh my God, we have eaten our hearts out. The food is really, thank you Nusrat, thank you, my golden girl. The food here is really great, so, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it. But above everything, I wish you all the very best. I want to congratulate you, and I wish you even more prosperous journey ahead. Thank you so much for having me here tonight.
Thank you so much, Moni. And now, of course, joining us for the third time, Nusrat.
So hi, good evening everyone. This is the third time I'm here. Third time. So I have seen 3 of his properties fully. I've seen 3 of his properties right from inception to actual realization. And just like he says it every time कि जो आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है ना, वैसे का वैसा बनेगा. वो मैंने live देखा है, वो वैसे के वैसा ही बनता है. And I'm amazed at the speed at which they think of a project and then they call me again 1 year later saying हो गया, बन गया. मैंने कहा सर इतनी जल्दी क्या हो रहा है ये? But they are superb in terms of thinking, where people have not even thought of going before and they are there. So I'm just really happy to be with them for the third time. Congratulations sir, again and again. फिर से जल्दी बुलाएंगे, fourth time. So just hope you all have a great night, and if you all have got any flats here, then well, you all did what we didn't. You all are also innovators just like him. So have a great night guys.
Once again, thank you so much to all of you.
अभी चंकी पांडे जी को और नुसरत जी को जब हम बुलाएंगे, जब इनको आना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जब ये आते हैं, मौनी जी फर्स्ट टाइम है, नुसरत जी थर्ड टाइम है, एंड चंकी जी की कोई गिनती हम नहीं करते हैं. जब भी हम बुलाएंगे इनको आना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इनके आने से जो पॉजिटिविटी क्रिएट होती है, उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं इनका. और आप ऐसे आते रहिए और हम सक्सेस करते रहे. थैंक यू.
Thank Thank you so much, sir. Indeed, I agree with you. I hope these moments keep coming again and again. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, Chunky ji, Moni, Nusrat, Ajay ji, and of course our Ace family. एक बार please इस कमाल के पल के लिए तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much, guys. I would request you to join us back from your seats after the photo so that we have souvenirs to look back to this great moment, to this amazing evening. एक और बार ढेर सारी तालियां हो जाए आज की शाम के सबसे शानदार पल के लिए. मुझे कहना पड़ेगा थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे ये कहना पड़ेगा कि आज की शाम में सबसे बड़ा सितारा तो ऑफ कोर्स एस टेरा है, पर उसके साथ साथ है हमारे कमाल के अपने परिवार के सितारे अजय जी, चंकी जी, नुसरत जी, मौनी जी, जिन्होंने आज की शाम में चार चांद लगाए हैं. गाइस, वंस अगेन मौनी, नुसरत, चंकी जी, वी प्रेजेंट our gratitude to all of you for taking our time for joining us in this evening.